Hey, I want to talk to you about my new heating pad. So my old heating pad was that hard plastic and it wasn't very pliable. This is a nice like type of velour type of fabric. It is very soft, feels great, and the biggest factor is it's pliable. Now I can put it on my shoulder if I need to. So you have a remote here, and it has a 2-hour automatic shut off, which is great because sometimes you fall asleep, and you have several different um, levels. Your on and off switch here. It's easy to attach. You just have your prong and you add it right in here, and now you're good to go. I think this is a great heating pad. I like how pliable it is, and I can put it anywhere I need it to go. And that's just my honest opinion.